Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. The Beslip women's and men's garden clogs shoes with arch support, the best alternative to Crocs in the market. Now, you might be wondering, why these garden clogs? Well, stick around for the next 10 minutes as we delve deep into what makes these clogs stand out from the rest. Trust me, you're going to want to hear all about it. First things first, let's talk about comfort. These Beslip garden clogs are made of high elastic, lightweight EVA material, which means they are incredibly comfortable and provide a soft cushioning to your feet. It's like walking on clouds. But comfort is just the beginning. These clogs offer fantastic arch support, making them a top choice for those of you who suffer from foot pain. The medium arch support will keep your feet happy, even on long walks. And speaking of protection, check out this deep heel cup. It's designed to shield your feet from hard surfaces and provides added safety. So whether you're in the garden, at the beach, or just running errands, your feet are in good hands. Now, let's talk about traction. These garden shoes are not only sturdy and durable but also feature a wavy textured outsole that provides excellent traction. You won't have to worry about slipping and sliding with these bad boys. Maintenance is a breeze as well. Just rinse them with water, and they're good as new. No more worrying about keeping your shoes pristine. And hey, style matters too. Beslip offers these clogs in various colors, so you can choose the one that suits your taste. From classic black to vibrant options, there's something for everyone. For those interested in the nitty-gritty details, these clogs have a compact design with dimensions of 10.67 by 8.43 by 3.66 inches and weigh just 7.37 ounces, making them easy to carry around. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's see what other customers have to say. Customers love these clogs for their arch support, value for money, and comfort. They find them perfect for outdoor activities like gardening, and some even say they're great for everyday wear. However, as with any product, opinions vary, so be sure to find the right size for you. To sum it up, Beslip women's and men's garden clogs shoes with arch support are the best alternative to Crocs in the market. They offer unbeatable comfort, arch support, and durability, all at an affordable price. Whether you're spending time in your garden or just need some everyday footwear, these clogs have got you covered. And there you have it, folks. If you want to experience the comfort and style of these amazing garden clogs, click the link in the description below to get your pair today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.